Children, let us now see the next question. By selling 35 greeting cards, a shopkeeper loses an amount equal to the SP of 5 greeting cards. Find his loss percent. Now, this is one of the type of questions, children, we should understand how to do. Here you see, nothing is given directly. He says when the shopkeeper sells 35 greeting cards, he loses the amount equal to the SP of 5 greeting cards. So we have to find the loss percent. Now let us say that selling price, let selling price of one greeting card be, one greeting card be, I am taking rupees 1. You can take X also if you want. Okay? Be rupee 1. Now SP of 35 greeting cards will be how much? Greeting cards will be equal to rupees 35. Okay. Now if your SP is equal to 35, then loss will be equal to how much? Loss will be equal to SP of 5 greeting cards. Loss is equal to rupees 5. Now what will be the CP? CP is equal to SP plus loss. That means here you have 35 plus 5, which will be equal to 40. Now see, loss is 5, CP is 40. So your loss percent will be how much? Loss percent will be loss by CP into 100. Your loss is 5, your CP is 40 into 100. So 0 cancel. 50 by 4. Now see, 2 25s are 2 2s are. Okay. So this will give you 12 1 by 2%. Therefore, the loss incurred to the shopkeeper is 12 1 by 2%. Now let us see the next question. A man bought bananas at the rate of 10 for rupees 45. See, 10 bananas, cost of 10 bananas is 45 and sold 1 dozen, that means 12 bananas for rupees 51. Find the gain or loss percent. It's not very difficult, you just give equation to each line. A man bought bananas at the rate of 10 for rupees 45, that means cost of 10 bananas is equal to rupees 45. Now children, try to understand here, cost of 10 bananas is given and selling price of 12 bananas is given. So it would not be feasible for us to go for 10 bananas for CP and 12 bananas for SP. So let us find CP and SP on one banana. That will be more perfect. Okay, because we cannot take out profit and loss on different number of items. Now see, CP of 10 bananas rupees 45. So CP of one banana will be equal to how much? 45 by 10. Okay. So this is rupees. Let us keep it as 45 by 10 now, for now. Now SP of 12 bananas. SP of 12 bananas is equal to rupees 51. So SP of 1 banana will be equal to how much? 51 by 12, isn't it? Now see, 51 by 12 and 45 by 10, which one is greater? You have to find out whether your SP is greater or CP is greater. This can, see, these two can be brought into reduced form. This is 3 ones are 3, 3 sevens are 21 and this is 3 fours are 12. So 17 by 4 here, and here 5 nines are 45 and 5 twos are 10. So this is 9 by 2. Okay. Now see, 9 by 2 and 17 by 4. Which one is greater? You see. Here comes 9 fours are 36 and here this one is 17 twos are 34. So your 9 by 2 is bigger, isn't it? So your CP is greater than SP. So you have loss. So there is loss in this transaction. So what is the loss? Let us see. What is the loss? Loss will be equal to CP minus SP. That is 9 by 2 minus 17 by 4. Your LCM is 4. So here 2 2s are 4. So 18 minus 17. Okay. That is 1 by 4. So loss percent. How will you find loss percent? Loss percent will be equal to loss by CP into 100. Your loss is 1 by 4 divided by what is your CP? 9 by 2 into 100. So 1 by 4 into 2 by 9 into 100. 425s are. Here you are getting 50 by 9. So 9 5s are 45, है ना? 9 5s are 45, 5 by 9%. So what is your loss percent? 5 by 9%.